Okay, we'll send it over to Freddie for a check outside, because when we start talking back to school, I just think it's too hot to even think about walking to the school bus.
Yeah, it's going to be a hot one, not only today, but over the next few days. Right now, we're getting plenty of sunshine within the hill country, a bit more cloud coverage downtown. And then look at that, some of the green stuff that pops up on the map, meaning we're getting a few little light sea breeze showers, not very much. And in fact, when I zoom in a bit more with Fayette County and Bastrop County, you can see them pop up for a brief second before they end. A lot of it is what we call virga, meaning it's rain that comes down but doesn't actually make it to the ground, evaporates before it even touches the ground. So a lot of it won't even affect you, and you probably just see a few dark clouds rolling by. And if you do get a little bit of a shower, it's a sprinkle and then it's pretty much done. Most of it north of I-10 right now in Fayette County, but again, they're very small and hard to see. Now, I do anticipate that we will get at least a few more as the day goes on. And that's why we gave us a 10% chance. Essentially, I-35 and to the east is our best chance of maybe seeing a sea breeze shower that could pick up. But that's only for the afternoon. Once we get into the evening, once we lose that daytime heating, it's pretty much done. I don't expect to see anything else throughout the rest of the night. And tomorrow, I'll put a less than 10% chance of rain, and most of that will still mostly be farther out of our viewing area. But again, I won't be surprised if one or two decide to stop on by before the day is done. And that's it. I don't really see any more moisture flowing back in. What we do have is that high pressure system that's in the area. That high pressure is kind of a suppressor to any of that rain chance. All we're going to see is hot. You get that sinking air, unfortunately. It's not going to feel refreshing whatsoever. And that's throughout the rest of the week. So if any of your kids have school starting later this week, just know, dress them appropriately, because it will be hot out there, and I'm anticipating multiple triple-digit days out there. While today I'm keeping us at around 99 degrees, mostly because winds are picking up just a tad. You could even move up by that 1 degree and hit that triple-digit mark. In fact, this is what it'll look like as the day goes on. Here's that 99 that I mentioned by 5 p.m. It won't be until after 10 p.m. that we're down into the 80s, and then it won't be until 3 a.m. that we're down into the 70s. And even then, we're only dropping to about 77 to 78 degrees before we rebound back up. And here's your feels like temperature over the next few days: 104, 103, 106 Wednesday. It's going to be hot out there. And if you think it's hot for you, it's definitely hot for your pets. Your pavement forecast for the afternoon taking us up to 152 degrees. That's what it's going to feel like on the ground. Just keep that in mind if you decide to take a walk. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Triple digits across the board. Rain chances at a bare minimum. Hey, while it may not be active here, it's active in the tropics. Let's go ahead and send it over to Hannah Gard.
Thanks, Freddie. Yeah, things went from very quiet to very active very quickly. We have a bunch of waves we're watching in the tropical Atlantic. There's a wave off the east coast. Low chance of development there. Some could argue this might be more subtropical. It's pretty far up to the north, and it doesn't have conducive environment. We have another wave that's getting closer to the central Atlantic there. This one, low chance of development too. The models are not loving it, but there's a pretty robust wave over here that just moved off the coast of Africa. This has a medium chance of tropical development as it moves into the central Atlantic. This is when we would expect to see things ramping up. Our climatology for the Atlantic is our third named storm happens by August 3rd, and then our fourth named storm is by August 15th. We've only had 2 so far, so we're not running too far behind. We're kind of right around where we should be, and we're about to head into the peak of hurricane season. So the middle parts of August through the middle parts of October, that is what we consider the peak, the actual peak day there, early parts of September. So watching that activity as it takes shape through the rest of this week. We'll have more KXAN after the break.